Hi everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me for day 19 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So I'm feeling very much under the weather, but I'm rallying to bring you this video. Yay! I've been on the couch most of the day. It is, what, Monday night? Yeah, it's been a rough day, so I'm just not feeling very well, but I wanted to open this gift and have this video ready for you first thing in the morning. I will talk about the pillow, because I have been hand stitching that. That's been an adventure all in its own, so we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But I'm so sorry that my energy is low. Hopefully tomorrow, when I record tomorrow night, I will be much better and much more well-rested and feeling like $1,000,000. All right, so today is the 19th and we have this. A lot of people are guessing a calendar. I don't know. Let's open it up and find out. What is it? It's not a calendar. Oh, geez, it's really in there though. Happy Quilter Variety Puzzles. Oh, this is neat. It's a puzzle book. That's cool. Oh, and two really cute pencils so you can work on your puzzle book. I like that. That'll be something I can sit and do. I love puzzles, so this is great. And it looks like it's all quilting themed. It's really nice. Like the pages are really nice. Oh, that'll be fun. I love these. All right, great. I'm gonna guess for day 20. Warning, 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 like normal. Okay, here it is. It's a little box. It's kind of heavy. For all the people that don't like the crunching of the paper, you won't have that now. It is kind of heavy. I don't know, it must be, it sounds like there's something plastic in there, like bubble wrap. I don't know, we'll have to find out tomorrow. That would be great. All right, now the pillow. So I did work on this. Here, I'll show you what I've done so far. I have a few things that are just pinned on. The glue, the Roxanne glue didn't work real well on the fusible fleece that we used as a base. I know even yesterday or today when I watched the video so I record a day ahead, as you know. Sorry, I'm totally out of it, you guys. I watched the video today to see if there were any tips on it because I was really struggling with getting that glue to stick. And I saw that even her elf, whatever, is it, I wanna say Cynthia or something. Anyway, she had trouble even on camera getting it to stick, so I didn't feel so bad. I ended up using the sew line glue that I normally use for English paper piecing and it worked like a charm. I'm also not quite sure why it was double fusible because it just seemed to be a pain in the neck. It would have been easier just to have one-sided fusible, but whatever. I don't know if that was a mistake or what, but it is turning out pretty. I am hand appliquing these down, which has been kind of nice because I sit in front of the TV today and doing that. It's been a little wonky. It's tough to get them lined up. It's my first time doing something like this, and I'm not quite sure how to quilt it. I know they quilted it with a crosshatch, you know, like diagonal pattern, or at least one of them they did that way. I don't know, because I'm not sure about quilting over top of the fluffy, bumpy stuff, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. I hope you take some time to sew. I'm gonna go lay down on the couch again, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope none of you are getting sick right before Christmas. That would be great, and hopefully when I see you again, I will feel 1,000 times better. I hope you have a great day. Hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you real soon. Bye.